Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know that I am on the ongoing trip right now, and currently I'm getting ready to go to another country, Bulgaria. But last 5 days has been amazing. We were completely in the region called Transylvania in Romania. I'm gonna give a lot of information about this because reason number one, when I was doing research about Romania, I did not find much information in the internet, and road condition to drive and the public transportation to get around in Romania from the different cities, and how is it in winter, what is the food and the accommodation, and how is it with the language, and the currency, can you pay by euros or is the Romanian currency. All this information was really less when I was doing research to come here. Literally it took almost 3 months to get to know about Romania, and then with only little information we came here, but last 5 days has been a great experience. I'm gonna share with you guys along with a lot of pictures. I'm sorry, not lot, a few, because the beauty of Transylvania can only be experienced. I couldn't capture all good sceneries in my camera because human eyes have a great megapixel than any camera. That's what I feel. And now with all the information, I'll let you watch the rest of the video, and then I'll see you next in Bulgaria. See you. Driving through Transylvania was the best decision we have ever made. The roads are amazing. It was sunny and snow, rain, fog, mist. We have driven in all different seasons in 5 days, so the weather was so crazy. But the roads are amazing and it's in good condition. When you hire a car in Romania, all cars are fully equipped with the winter tires, and also good to drive on snow and icy roads. It is the best thing. And the public transportation, there are trains which will connect well connected through different cities in Romania, but to get around in Transylvania, the car is the best transportation. All the touristic destination can be reached only through car. In Romania, language wasn't an issue. You can always manage in English there. And speaking of currency, most of the places where we visited, we used our card, but it's always good to have some cash when you visit small towns or villages where there is no card payment facility. Then definitely the cash is plus. Make sure to have some cash when you visit Romania. Just 40 kilometers away from Sibiu city, you will find this cute clay castle called Perambacus de Sus, which is located in the foothills of Făgăraș mountain. It is just amazing, and the entry ticket for this is only paid by cash in RON, in Romanian RON, not in euros. It's amazing. Just make sure to visit when you're in Sibiu. Another important place is Balea Lake, which is 78 kilometers away from Sibiu. During winter, it can be accessed only through cable car, and here you can pay by card. But it's amazing place to be there during winter.
After the lovely snow adventure, we spent our last few days in Sibiu city, enjoying the culture and the architecture. Sibiu is the only city in entire Romania is still keeping the old Gothic and Renaissance style buildings, and its iconic houses, which has got eyes, is the hot spots which attracts tourists. Here you can see all the houses has got eyes. This is the style of Sibiu. Please find the description for more details about Transylvania. And if you need further information about anything, please feel free to contact me, and I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and I'm gonna see you in next week, next destination. See you.